Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Pandu. Today in this video we will discuss about non-destructive testing of welds, that is radiographic testing of fusion weld joints. Friends, here are few of the symbols and abbreviations that we have used, and that is T is for nominal thickness, and W is the penetrated thickness, and small b is object to film distance, small d is source size, then SFD is source to film distance, F means source to object distance, and capital D with E is the diameter. The radiographic techniques are divided into two main classes, that is class A, that is the basic techniques, and class B, that is the improved techniques. Friends, if you have not subscribed to Engineering Pandu, please subscribe to Engineering Pandu. We will keep on uploading few good videos. Friends, here is the general arrangement for test, that is the test arrangement for plain walls and single wall penetration. So here you can see this one is the radiation source, and then second is the film. So this is the T. Here you can see B, weld thickness, then F, the distance of source from the object, and here is the penetrator thickness range for gamma ray source and X-ray equipment with energy 1 MeV, and above for steel, copper and nickel based alloys. So this is applicable only for steel, copper and nickel based alloys. Here you can see the radiation source, type of radiation source and energy levels, and accordingly we have penetrated thickness mm, and for test class A it should be less than or equal to 5 for radiation source TA. Then for X-ray equipment with energy from 1 MeV to 4 MeV, it should be between 30 to 200 for test class A, and for test class B it should be between 50 to 180. So this is the table for overall range for test class A and test class B for penetrated thickness for steel, copper and nickel based alloys. Then film system classes and intensifying screens for aluminum and titanium, and for radiation source X-ray potentials with less than or equal to 150 kV. Film system class is class A for C5, and for class B it is C3. Type and thickness of the intensifying screens for less than or equal to 150, none or up to 0.03 mm front and up to 0.15 mm back screens of lead. Similarly, there are other ranges given for the different type of radiation source for aluminum and titanium. Friends, then we have optical density of radiographs. For class A, optical density should be greater than or equal to 2, and for class B it should be greater than or equal to 2.3. So friends, this was the general introduction for non-destructive testing radiographic method. Friends, I hope you will like this. Thank you very much and happy learning.